in today's video, we are going to be doing a DIY. Now, my mother just purchased a house. I'm very proud of her. I'm very happy that she's was able to get blessed with this beautiful house, and she has a really nice patio outside. And her birthday is actually at the end of this month, and I actually want to surprise her with child. Don't look at that. Okay, I actually want to surprise her by fixing up the backyard really nice. My mother, whenever she comes down here to visit me, she always goes outside to my patio to read her Bible and look at like scriptural stuff on YouTube and just like zen out. So I want her to be able to do that in her own home, of course. So the first DIY I'm going to be doing, well, the first and the only DIY I'm going to be doing is her table, coffee table. I saw this crate coffee table online and I fell in love with it, and I'm just like, let me try to see if I can tackle it. Let me turn this camera around. Okay, so right now I have the crates in the shape that I want it to be in. I am going to sand this down. I already started. I'm going to sand this down. And then after sanding this down, I am going to stain it. Yes, that's the word I need to use. I'm going to stain it a really nice color, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's get to staining first. So these are them all stained. I'm gonna do a second coat. I even have the legs, which are super cute. I need to color those as well. I think the color is really nice. I kind of want to leave it like this, but I want to see what the second coat is going to look like. So, there you go. Okay, so here is the bottom of the coffee table. I glued this pegboard that I got from Home Depot to the crate. And actually, I've messed up on this so bad, and I should have done a lot of different things to secure this. But this is what I did. I added the Gorilla Glue, because that's what I used to glue this whole thing. Gorilla Glue, and then I taped it down for like extra security. I ended up putting weights on it later, but you'll see that. So here are the legs. I put in leg number 1, and I realized I should have glued 2 pegboards because once I screw the legs in, it kind of, the board lifts up, the board lifts up a little bit. But I ended up putting Gorilla Glue on the leg and then screwing it into, hold on, I'm going to show you that little hole right there. And it's weird because the more you screw, the more the pegboard goes up. Because I didn't let the pegboard dry. 2, I should have added an extra board first and then added that pegboard to that board. It all makes sense in my head. I'm not too sure if it makes sense in you. Sorry. Okay, so those are 2 legs. And then I finally did the 4. And as you can see, I put candles, citronella candles, on top just to weigh down the pegboard, because when I screwed in the legs, it was lifting up. So I wanted to put some security to like lock it down. Okay, so here I am just taking off all the extra tape. And I had a lot of tape because my slow self forgot to bring the clamps to clamp this down in order for it to stick. But everything came out nice. Like I said again, if I had to do this over, it would be with a lot more security. So this is what the coffee table actually looks like. All painted. This is so fucking cute. With the little chair. Ooh, go Evie, go Evie, go. Go Evie, go Evie, go. I'm so excited. My kids are about my babies. All right, and this is the end result, guys. Okay, coffee table set up. This looks nice. It's gonna actually look, this is gonna go outside, so it will look better. But for right now, I like it. Oh, that looks so cute. I feel like it needs some more accents. I'm not too sure what, but yes! This looks so adorable. So adorable. I'm so happy